Today, we're going to learn about the PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller. Have you ever wondered how a factory machine starts automatically? How entire factories, from steel plants to food processing and car manufacturing, run complex machines automatically without human help? The brain behind all these automated systems is the PLC. In electrical engineering, how a machine or process operates is decided by a control system. Earlier in industry, control systems were relay-based. A relay is an electrically operated switch. When current passes through the relay coil, it creates a magnetic field that moves the contacts. Relay-based control systems were traditionally built using relays and electrical devices such as switches, timers, counters, contactor coils, etc. By connecting these components through physical wiring, engineers could create automatic control systems for machines and industrial processes. These relay-based systems were simple, reliable, and cost-effective. They worked well for small applications like starting a motor, controlling lighting systems, or operating simple machine sequences. But as industrial systems became larger and more complex, the number of relays and wiring increased rapidly. Control panels became crowded with hundreds of relays and thousands of wires. Because of this, installation became difficult, maintenance required more time, and troubleshooting became an absolute nightmare. A single loose wire or one faulty relay could shut down the entire factory floor for hours while engineers desperately searched for the problem. Modifying the system was also complicated because adding new functions required extensive rewiring of the control panel. To overcome these limitations, engineers introduced the PLC, Programmable Logic Controller. A PLC is a special type of microprocessor-based controller that uses programmable memory to store instructions and perform functions such as logic, sequencing, timing, counting, and arithmetic. Instead of relying on large numbers of hardwired relays, a PLC performs control operations through programmable software logic. With PLCs, control logic can be modified easily without changing the entire wiring system. This greatly reduces the amount of physical wiring and hardware required in the control panel. As a result, installation becomes cleaner and more organized, maintenance becomes easier, and troubleshooting faults becomes much faster. Engineers can also update or expand the system simply by modifying the program without extensive rewiring. Thus, the invention of PLCs revolutionized industrial automation by replacing complex relay-based systems with smarter, more flexible, and highly efficient control technology. Today, PLCs form the backbone of modern industries, powering everything from small machines to fully automated production plants. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on automation and PLC. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.